Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we have a somewhat problem here about heating and humidifying. So problem number one is air enters a heating and humidifying system at 20 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature and 20% of relative humidity, and they exit at 30 degrees Celsius and 60% relative humidity. The mass flow rate of dry air is 1.2 kg per second. Assuming the specific heat of air is 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin. So calculate the sensible heat added to the air. So first we have the formula of sensible heat. The sensible heat is equals to mass flow rate of dry air multiplied by the specific heat of air and multiplied by the difference of the temperature. So we have those given nga gihatag sa problem. So natay mass flow rate of 1.2 kg per seconds and the specific heat which is 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin. So pwede na natin siya i-celebrate sa ang difference between the two temperature, which is the final temperature minus the initial temperature. So ang atong final temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and initial temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So ato na siya i-substitute ang 30 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius. So guys, pwede na natin siya i-convert into Kelvin, but this time pwede natin siya igawas ang Kelvin nga unit. So pwede na siya i-factor, mura siya i-factor. So ang resulta ni is 30 minus 20 is equals to 20 10 Kelvin. So na natay delta T. So pwede natin siya i-substitute sa formula sa sensible heat para makakuha na ito ang sensible heat added to the air. So natay sensible heat is equals to 1.2 kg per seconds multiplied by 1.005 kilojoules kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin. So natay 10 Kelvin nga delta T. So i-cancel lang nato ni ang K, ang Kelvin, then ang kilogram. So mabili na lang is kilojoules per seconds or kilowatts. So ito lang na siyang i-complete guys. 1.2 multiplied by 1.005 multiplied by 10 Kelvin. So natin makuha guys nga 12.06 kilojoules per seconds or kilowatts. So mao na itong makuha nga sensible heat added to the air. So that's all. Thank you.